Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings and then let's scroll to find the apps. Now let's tap on View All 69 Apps and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on Reset Up Preferences, and here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so the disabled apps, the notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. Of course, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.